Hey crafters, so welcome back to my channel. I am here with another new video. But before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Mother's Day is around the corner, so why not gift your mom these lovely handmade gifts? So without further ado, let's get started with the video. The things that you'll require are pattern paper, glue, ribbon and some chocolates. So we are going to make this pretty little chocolate box which is made out of paper. You can store your chocolates in them and gift it to your mother. Now the pattern paper size is 18 into 18 centimeters. After you're done cutting the paper, divide it into 6 equal parts of 3 centimeters each. Now from the top and bottom, leave 2.5 centimeters, further leave 1 centimeter and further 1 centimeter. Do this on both the sides. Fold the paper on the lines that are drawn. After you're done folding the parts, fold the first edge and mark 2 centimeters on each block. Now cut it in the same way as I am doing till the 2 centimeter mark. Repeat the same step on the other side as well. Score the paper on the drawn lines as I am doing. Now finally stick the first and the last end of the pattern paper. Tie a bow at one end. Tie it gently as the paper should not be torn. Add your chocolates from the other end. And finally, our chocolate is ready. You can also add a little message to it to make your mother feel more special. So finally our chocolate box is ready to be given to our mothers. Now if you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. Also more Mother's Day videos will be uploaded soon. Stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.